At Silent Infotech, we don't just build software, we build smarter, faster businesses. From seamless ERP implementation to intelligent RFID, IoT, and AI integrations, we help companies automate, scale, and connect their operations. With a cybersecurity first-thinking approach and an efficiency-driven process, we operate like a modern software factory, combining speed, collaboration, and innovation. Our solutions include production-boosting automation and smart systems designed to evolve with your needs. Each solution is built on scalable architecture, tested for performance, and secured with end-to-end protection. Backed by over 15+ years of global delivery, we've built deep trust across industries by solving real-world problems with scalable tech. With over 300 successful enterprise implementations, Silent Infotech empowers global industries with innovation beyond technology. We deliver 360 degrees tech plus strategy plus security to help you grow with confidence.